Hi students, in this video we will talk about chapter 3.1, the manipulation of simple algebraic fraction. So first of all we have to look at what is algebraic fraction. An algebraic fraction is an algebraic expression written in the form this, a over b. And for a and b, they are polynomials, and b, that means the denominator, is not a constant. Look at these examples. This is a over b plus 2. So a is a polynomial, b plus 2 is also a polynomial. So it is an algebraic fraction. How about this? 2 over x squared minus x plus 1. 2 actually is a polynomial, even it is a constant number. This one, x squared minus x plus 1, is also a polynomial. So this is an algebraic fraction. How about this? 2x over 3. 2x is a polynomial. 3 is also a polynomial, but it is a constant number. So if the denominator is a constant number, no, it is not an algebraic fraction. Now look at these algebraic fractions. Which of them are algebraic fractions? BC over a plus 1, that is an algebraic fraction. 1 over x squared, look at the denominator, it is also an algebraic fraction. X plus 1 over 3, no, because the denominator is a constant number. For x squared plus 2xy plus y squared, no, it is not a fraction at all. So how about the next one? P squared q minus pq squared over 9. Denominator is a constant, so it is not an algebraic fraction. So the next one should be this. Okay, for an algebraic fraction, we have to reduce it to the simplest form by cancelling out the common factors. What does it mean? Look at this. 4pq over 5p. We try to find the factors of the numerator and the denominator. And we can find out the common factor. The common factor of this algebraic fraction is p. So we cancelled it out. So we have 4q over 5. How about this? 8a over 6a cubed. We found the factors and we try to cancel out the common factors. For 8 and 6, cancel out the common factor, you have 4 and 3. For a and a cubed, when we cancel out the common factor, we get 1 and a squared. So the numerator would be 4 times 1, that is 4. Okay? And the denominator is 3 times a squared. So it will be 3a squared. Altogether, 4 over 3a squared. So try to do these follow-up questions. For part A, 5ab over 10ab squared. 5 and 10 can be factorized. Okay? We can cancel out it, find out the common factor, so it will be 1 and 2. For a and a, cancel it out. B and b squared, we have b at the denominator. So the numerator, you get 1. The answer is 1 over 2b. For part B, okay, 12y squared z cubed over 3xyz. First of all, we write it like this. And then 12 and 3, we can find the common factor. It should be 3. So cancel it out. We have 4 on the numerator. And for y squared and y, we can cancel it out. We still have y on the numerator. Z cubed and z, we can have z squared on the numerator. Okay, cancel these common factors. So we found out that the answer is 4yz squared over x. And sometimes we have to factorize the numerator and the denominator before the simplification. What does it mean? Let's look at this example. 4 over the sum of 2x and 2y. For this kind of question, we have to factorize the denominator. So the denominator becomes 2 times a bracket of x plus y. At this moment, you can simplify the numerator and the denominator by cancel out 2. We have 2 at the numerator and the denominator is 1 times the bracket of x plus y. So this is the simplest form. That means the answer is 2 over x plus y. For part 2, we have this. We try to factorize both the numerator and the denominator, like this. And the factors, we have a at the numerator and also a at the denominator. We try to cancel out this common factor. So what is remaining is a minus 3 at the numerator and b plus 3 at the denominator. So the answer is a minus 3 over b plus 3. For part 3, we have x squared minus 9 as the numerator and x plus 3 as the denominator. This time, we try to factorize the numerator, that means x squared minus 9. We can factorize it as x plus 3 times x minus 3. And at this point, you can see that x plus 3 is a common factor of both the numerator and the denominator. So we can cancel it out. So that means we have 1 at the numerator and 1 at the denominator. So we have x minus 3. So here is the simplest. We have to simplify the algebraic fraction like this. Now look at some of the questions here. For part A, ab plus a over a squared, factorize the numerator. And then a and a of a squared, you can find the common factor and eliminate 8. You can get a as the denominator. So the answer will be b plus 1 over a. For part B, for the numerator, we can try to factorize as x times bracket of a minus b. But for the denominator, the common factor, we get negative 3. So we can get another factor of a minus b. We cancel out this a minus b, this factor, on both sides. So you can get x over 3, negative 3. So the answer, we can say, is negative x over 3. For part C, we can try to factorize the denominator. So we can get the denominator as k plus 2 bracket square. And the numerator is k plus 2. So we can try to, first of all, we factorize by this identity. And then we try to cancel out one of this, k plus 2. So originally, the denominator is k plus 2 times k plus 2. When we cancel out one of them, we still have k plus 2 at the denominator. And for the numerator, you still get 1. So the answer, when cancel out the common factor, we get 1 over k plus 2. So here are the examples. So try your best on the quiz given.